Okay, picture this. It's Monday morning. You arrive at work, coffee in hand, ready to tackle the week. You open your email, and right there at the top of your inbox is a company-wide announcement. Management has just installed a new, state-of-the-art AI system. The email proudly states that this system can answer customer questions, write detailed reports, analyze massive data sets, create presentations, and even generate complex software code. You read those capabilities, and a very distinct, very sudden chill goes down your spine.
Is my job next? I mean, let's be honest, that is the exact question that starts spreading through every single cubicle and virtual office the second that email lands. It's the core anxiety of our modern workforce. We're watching systems do things in seconds that take us hours. So let's confront this head-on in today's Explainer.
Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1. The Office AI Panic, and why this isn't just about manual labor. For years, people imagined robots replacing factory workers on an assembly line, but something totally unexpected happened. The first jobs actually affected by this, they weren't just manual labor. There were white-collar office jobs. We're talking writers, designers, programmers, customer support agents, accountants, and researchers. Highly skilled professionals are suddenly finding that artificial intelligence can complete their work in an absolute fraction of the time. Even lawyers and doctors are using these systems. So, naturally, this is raising a massive alarm for mass job loss. Does this mean millions of people will just lose their jobs? Well, actually, scratch that. Not exactly.
Section 2. History's surprising lesson on the tech revolutions of the past. Before we panic, let's take a breath and look at the indisputable historical facts. Tech revolutions actually shift jobs around. They don't just destroy them.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how the job of a bank teller changed but completely failed to disappear. When ATMs were first introduced, everyone thought tellers were done for. I mean, why pay a human when a machine hands out cash, right? But the reality? Banks ended up hiring way more people. Because ATMs made it cheaper to operate a branch, banks opened more branches, and they expanded. The job evolved into something else, but it didn't vanish.
And we saw the exact same unfounded panic happen when businesses transitioned from paper to computers. Before computers, everything was just literal mountains of paperwork. When they arrived, everyone screamed mass unemployment. But instead of a jobs apocalypse, entirely new high-paying careers emerged. Just think about it. Software engineers, web developers, cybersecurity experts, digital marketers, cloud architects, data scientists. These are massive, modern careers that literally did not exist a few decades earlier. The opportunities completely exploded.
Section 3. The speed of transformation. Decades versus years.
We have to acknowledge the elephant in the room here. The pattern is the same, yes, but AI is transforming industries in just a few short years rather than decades. What we're seeing is a strict divide between routine work, which is aggressively becoming automated, and core human skills, which machines still really struggle with.
Look, tasks that follow clear, predictable patterns are increasingly handled by AI. Scheduling meetings, writing standard boilerplate emails, summarizing massive documents, creating first drafts, basic coding, data entry, frontline customer support. These activities are becoming dramatically faster and cheaper with AI assistance. It's just a fact.
So the crucial point is, what is genuinely difficult for a machine? Well, it's human judgment, creativity, leadership, critical thinking, building trust, negotiation, strategic decision-making, and, above all, empathy. These human skills are becoming a massive premium in the AI era. They are more valuable now, not less.
Section 4, the productivity multiplier. Let's look at the tale of two graphic designers to see how this actually works.
AI isn't a replacement. It's a superpower for those who adapt. Imagine two graphic designers. Designer A does everything manually, spending a grueling 8 hours creating a single concept. Designer B is AI-assisted. They use AI to generate dozens of ideas in minutes, then apply their human creativity to refine the best one. Ask yourself, who delivers faster? Who earns more? Who serves more clients? Designer B wins every time. AI didn't replace them. It multiplied their productivity.
And this brilliantly illustrates how the productivity multiplier effect applies to the best professionals across every single industry right now. Developers are dramatically more productive. Doctors are detecting diseases earlier than ever before. Teachers are perfectly personalizing lessons. Lawyers are reviewing thousands of documents in hours instead of weeks. Business owners are automating the boring stuff so they can focus on growth.
Section 5. Humans with AI and the new career advantage.
The truth is, people aren't losing jobs simply because AI exists. They are becoming less competitive if they refuse to learn it. Let's move to and see how this builds into 4 straightforward steps. Adapting doesn't mean becoming a machine learning engineer overnight. It means asking better questions, verifying AI-generated information, because the machine can be wrong, automating your repetitive tasks, and combining your human expertise with these intelligent tools. Master these workflows, and you've got the ultimate advantage.
The workplace of the future will not be humans versus AI. It will be humans with AI versus humans without AI. Just like the ATM and the personal computer, every technological revolution richly rewards those who adapt early. Artificial intelligence is absolutely following that same path. The real question is no longer whether AI will change your career. That's a given. The question is how prepared you'll be when it does. And that opens up an absolutely wild new possibility for the future of business. In our next explainer, we're going to dive into something even more fascinating. Could a single person build $1 billion company using AI agents instead of hundreds of human employees? The answer to that might just completely surprise you. Until then, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you next time.